Actually, before I forget, I got a new camera holder. Might as well use it. Not bad. I've been wanting one of these for a while. It should help out get like lower shots the other camera could not get, or the other camera stand could not get. The other one broke. So it's as simple as just like replacing a nut. The nut's stripped. I'll see if I can find one. Otherwise, I'll buy a new one. It's like the taller tripod. Doesn't matter. Today's video is something I've had actually for a while. That still works. Inside the back of the Legacy, you can see I've just been tossing crap in here. I got these signal mirrors. Yeah, I've not seen anyone do this on YouTube yet, but I've looked at them briefly and they look kind of cool. So, you know, it's protected. This should give you an idea right there. I don't want to take the tit off quite yet. It's like a blacked out mirror housing, and it goes basically on your mirror. It goes on your mirror just like that. So that's original, aftermarket. Like I said, I have yet to see anyone do this, so I have no idea how easy or difficult it's going to be. I really don't think it's going to be that hard. One of the things I did want to do is, like my STI, I have a white DRL and an amber sequential signal. I really like the white DRL just because as you're cruising, you just got the white DRL. It just looks good, especially with the JDM bezels. That's her right there, rest in peace. Well, it's not broken, it's just I messed up the oil pan. But as I looked at the design of this, I really don't think I can modify it to basically add the white DRL. I was planning on ordering just like a LED strip, but I think everything is like injection molded, so I don't think I can easily pop it out. I'll provide the link down in the description if they are sick. I don't know, but these are the original. As you can see, this also does already have like a smart tap, I guess you call it. So I can do the fancy thing where like a signal left and signal right and it just keeps going back and forth. It's kind of cool. I honestly don't use it. I'm assuming it was added in because there's LED signals on the car. I don't know. Like I said, haven't seen this on YouTube. I don't know how easy or difficult it's gonna be. I think we gotta pull off, well, actually, I don't know. I think we gotta pull off the mirror. Then we gotta pull off the cover, I believe. And then we can access the screws to remove the signal. So I guess let's just get to it. So originally I was gonna pull off the mirror glass and then I can access all the clips and pull it off. But I was having a hard time removing it. So I pretty much pulled it down. I saw there was a little clip back here that I can pry up, and it's actually this one right here. I pushed it in, I took my black pry tool, went all around the edges and basically lifted the mirror cover up and off. I did end up breaking one of the clips, just the one right there. Honestly, I'm not worried about it. The car is from 2006, parts are brittle. It sucks, but I'm sure it will go on and you won't be able to tell once it's on. To remove this, I believe it's 3 Phillips screws, just the one right here, the other right there, and I believe if you push the mirror up, there's one in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right in there. I'm gonna go ahead, hit it with PB Blaster, make sure it soaks so I don't end up destroying the screws and stripping them and I can't get them out. I'm also gonna clean up all the crap in there. There's a bunch of like dead spiders and stuff. So let me bang that out and we'll have one side done. I ended up having to remove the side mirror anyways. It's the easiest way I found to get it off, and actually it looks like I broke it right there. I tilted the entire mirror forward, stuck a flat head in between the white part and the mirror, and pried it up, even though it does look like I did break it. Again, these, these parts are very old, so they are fragile. Easy to break. Once it is loose on the bottom, I push the entire assembly down and then was able to wiggle it up and out. I don't think I gotta really disconnect the wires, so I think I'm just gonna leave that. But I need to get that Phillip right there. I'm gonna strip it out. That is the reason why I removed the mirror. That is all 3 screws removed. This should be free now. There's also that connector right there, and that entire assembly should come out. Yeah, as you can see, it's all loose now. I really wish I ordered new screws just because these are really corroded. I'm gonna have to reuse them for now. Maybe later on I'll try to find some better ones to replace them because I almost stripped them. So just a heads up. I'll go ahead, remove that clip, and this should come out. I guess we'll try it out first. Oh, that's so sick. That looks so good. So that white clip right there, it is a lot smaller. Yeah, I don't know, I just kind of pushed it in, it went in. Hopefully we don't get a lot of water buildup. I might throw some dielectric grease in there just to help reduce corrosion. Yeah, it's not really secure. Very weird design. I could not find my dielectric grease. Double side tape will have to work. If I do find I get some corrosion or for some reason the lights just stop working, I'll go ahead, take them apart and clean it up with some dielectric grease. I think it's in my toolbox. It's just right now, since the move, all my stuff is everywhere. I can't find it. But I do recommend dielectric grease, and I recommend getting new screws. This should not be reused, but unfortunately, I'm gonna have to reuse it. So let me tie this up, throw it all back together, get the other side done, and this honestly is really not a hard install. You just gotta be careful because everything is fragile and old. So let me slap this all back together, get the other side done, and we'll be done. It'd be a pretty cool mod, in my opinion. Already it looks super cool. Just look at this. So sick. That looks pretty sweet. I actually like it a lot. I like it a lot more. I wasn't a huge fan of the clear, to be honest. Like, I didn't mind it. It's just, it was very cloudy. It just, I don't know, it looked a little outdated. And honestly, I think it looks pretty sweet. Get the other side done, and I can go inside and warm up. I am absolutely frozen. As you could tell, it is snowing. Well, it's not snowing. Yeah, I don't know, is it snowing? It's kind of snowing. I already can't feel my toes. That was a lot easier the second time around. I do have to say though, the second time I did not remove the actual side mirror. If I push the actual entire mirror like to the side and then I pried the mirror up, I was able to get the Phillips in underneath there and free it up. One screw actually completely dissolved. So there's only 2 screws holding that side in. There's nothing I could do about it, but let me just show you like how bad it was. As soon as I tried to loosen this up, it just fell apart. It completely snapped. Didn't even have to force it, it came right off. The part that goes around the screw completely disintegrated. You could see that was it right there. I guess we should double check it, make sure both still work. So driver's side works, and because I have the smart tap, the headlights are flashing really fast, hence why we're not getting the full sequential. Well, let me know what you guys think. I think it is an awesome mod, especially considering how cheap it was, which is awesome. I thought in the beginning you were gonna need a relay or like a hyper flash relay or a smart tap or whatever. I don't think you're gonna need it because after looking at the side mirror lights that I removed, they look LED from factory. So if you do swap these in, I don't think you're gonna need the relay. If I am wrong, someone please let me know and I will update it in the description. That's it, guys. I think it's an awesome mod. As you can see, let it focus on the car. Looks awesome. It's super clean. I like it. I don't know. I just did not like the clear ones from the beginning. I did smoked out on my 2018 STI as well, which I will also have a video for that. So if you are interested, feel free to watch. I'm happy I got it done before winter ended because once the winter does end, I do plan on driving the STI again. This thing will unfortunately kind of be sitting around, but I think I am going to drive it throughout the winter just because it's a fun car, honestly. I'm getting super cold. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want one of these, link will be down in the description. That's it, guys. Take it easy.